First Eagle Amundi Income Builder Fund has shown strong resilience in a more volatile market environment, both year-to-date and since August last year. Year-to-date, markets have registered quite a rollercoaster ride. After beginning the year with a broad sell-off, markets strongly rebounded as prospects of further monetary accommodation eased growing concerns. In this swingy environment, the fund registered a relatively resilient behavior, thus explaining the positive results. Downside protection against uncertainties. Firstly, as we seek to only invest in stocks where we can find discounted investment opportunities, these were the worst performing areas in the sell-off. Thus, the absence in the portfolio was a strong contributor to the fund's resilience. Besides our stock selection in equities and credit, gold-related securities have also strongly supported the fund. Growing risk aversion has supported gold price, thus playing its diversification role in our portfolio. Our prudent stock selection, with emphasis on minimizing the risk of permanent capital loss by seeking to only invest in companies trading with a material discount to our estimation of their fair long-term value, is the primary contributor to returns. Cash to capitalize on market opportunities. The main portfolio evolution resides in our exposure to cash and cash equivalents, residual of our stock picking approach that we use as deferred purchasing power during periods of distress. As market volatility increased, a growing number of investment opportunities trading at attractive valuations in both equity and credit markets occurred. Thus, the decrease in overall cash and equivalents already registered in 2015 continued until mid-February to reach 6% when markets bottomed out. As markets rebounded strongly thereafter, the investment team faced an increasing number of existing holdings getting closer or even exceeding their fair long-term value. As the team liquidated or trimmed several of these positions, cash exposure rebounded to end May just below 11%. Positioned to mitigate risks and capitalize on opportunities. Rather than trying to forecast the zigzags, we seek to build an all-weather portfolio able to participate in upside markets while showing resilience during downside periods. We therefore focus on understanding the longer-term challenges and opportunities of a changing world, where globalization, factory automation technology, and the new technologies of information and communication are transforming the global economy and potentially offering massive productivity gains over the long term. The transition period risks to be quite bumpy. We have more debt in the world today than prior to the global financial crisis. At the same time, we have slowing global growth and we are facing a structural deflationary trend triggered by the transformation of our economies. Unsurprisingly, we are also seeing increasing social and geopolitical tensions around the world. Being value investors, we believe in three things. Firstly, margin of safety. Secondly, diversification. And thirdly, patience. Holding cash and cash equivalents when discount opportunities are less abundant, and use it as deferred purchasing power when market volatility rises. We also believe that gold-related securities can be a valuable potential insurance policy against extreme and unpredictable market events. A long-term wealth management solution. First Eagle Amundi Income Builder Fund is a core long-term wealth management solution seeking to generate a meaningful and sustainable level of income over time. Built to be resilient in a changing world, First Eagle Amundi Income Builder Fund seeks to provide an income for today and for tomorrow. It's the sleep well approach.